Well, the high-octane campaign for the Lok Sabha 2024 polls has come to an end, and now the top brass of the BJP is on spiritual journeys. After offering special prayers at the Sri Bhagwati Amman temple in the seashore of Kanyakumari, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has started his 45-hour-long dhyan at Vivekanand Rock Memorial. This is the same place where Swami Vivekanand, after wandering across the country, is believed to have meditated for 3 days on a rock located about 500 meters off the mainland, and is said to have attained enlightenment at this very place. In fact, first pictures of Prime Minister's tapasya at Vivekanand Rock Memorial shows Prime Minister Modi meditating in front of Swami Vivekanand statue. Today, the Prime Minister started his day by performing Surya Namaskar and offered jal to Surya Dev. Prime Minister was seen wearing a saffron dhoti and shawl wrapped around his body. The Prime Minister's 45-hour meditation will end on the 1st of June. But the meditation by the Prime Minister seems to have sparked off a massive political controversy. The opposition bloc has cited that every event of the Prime Minister is a blatant violation of the moral code of conduct by the Election Commission. The India bloc claimed that the meditation by the Prime Minister was nothing but silent campaign.
Put a complaint against us. We are not against going there, Dhyana. Let him do the dhyana on our June 1st onwards. 4th only result is coming. The silence period, which Election Commission is telling, no campaign, no visual effects, nothing has been happened. But Prime Minister is totally violating this code of conduct.
मार्केटिंग करने जा रहे हैं, फोटो खिंचवाने जा रहे हैं, शूटिंग करने जा रहे हैं। पिछले बार गुफा में बैठ के फोटो खिंचवा रहे थे। इस बार कन्याकुमारी जा रहे हैं, तो प्रधानमंत्री जी से निवेदन है कि मीडिया और कैमरा पे प्रतिबंध लगाएं और जाइए, जो ध्यान करना कीजिए, ध्यान में बाधाओं को मत लाइए।
The BJP leaders, though, maintain that the moral code of conduct does not stop anyone from visiting religious places, and this is no violation of rules by the Prime Minister. The BJP also claimed that it was the habit of the opposition to make a controversy out of everything that the Prime Minister does. Listen in to the BJP's counter-attack.
कांग्रेस पार्टी और इंडिया अलायंस को आखिरकार हुआ क्या है? प्रधानमंत्री यदि कुछ बोले तो उनको समस्या। अब प्रधानमंत्री कन्याकुमारी जाकर विवेकानंद रॉक पर ध्यान करे, तपस्या करे, साधना करे, मौन रहे, तब भी उनको समस्या है। मतलब प्रधानमंत्री का मेडिटेशन और विपक्ष का ये संपूर्ण फ्रस्ट्रेशन। जिन लोगों ने राम मंदिर का विरोध किया, राम मंदिर को बेकार बोला, राम मंदिर को लटकाने अटकाने भटकाने की साजिश रची, जिन्होंने कहा राम जी का अस्तित्व नहीं, हिंदू टेरर से लेकर सनातन बीमारी है, सनातन समाप्त होना चाहिए, अब वो लोग चाहते कि कोई हिंदू सनातनी ध्यान भी ना करे, तपस्या भी ना करे, साधना भी ना करे, मतलब ऐसा फतवा जारी कर देंगे और कहते हैं मॉडल कोड ऑफ कॉन्डक्ट का वायलेशन है। किस प्रावधान का? ना प्रधानमंत्री प्रचार कर रहे हैं, ना प्रसार कर रहे हैं, ना बोल रहे हैं, ना किसी को कुछ कह रहे हैं, ना राजनीतिक वक्तव्य दे रहे हैं, ना ये राजनीतिक कार्यक्रम है।
I don't know why it is disturbing the opposition parties, mainly the India alliance partners. During the last elections also, Mr. Modi had gone to Himalayas and did tapasya for 48 hours and came back. As he is a man who believes in spirituality, a man who believes in dhyana, yoga and other forms of balancing the mind and the body to keep himself fit, and nearly 125 days campaign trail in the scorching sun, when the Prime Minister goes for dhyana, I don't know what is disturbing the opposition parties.